Advanced lifting solutions. EZG Manufacturing offers two innovative lifters designed to enhance efficiency and precision on the job site. The basic PM1AIR model can handle up to 34 kg, while the more robust GripHog vacuum model can lift up to 109 kg. Both models feature a T-handle that ensures precise control, helping to keep tiles and other items level during lifting. For heavier tasks, the stronger lifter is equipped with an 8-shaped handle, allowing for two-person use. Each lifter comes with a set of special attachments that include memory foam elements, providing versatility and ease of use. According to EZG Manufacturing, these lifters can reduce work time by 40%, making them a valuable tool for any project. Given their efficiency and time-saving capabilities, it's no surprise that even the basic model is priced at $634. Venetian glass bricks, a fusion of art and architecture. The Venetian Lagoon is home to Venice, a city celebrated for its bridges, canals, and rich artistic heritage. Nearby lies the island of Murano, famous for its exquisite glass creations. It's fitting that the stunning glass bricks from this region are named Venetian bricks. Venetian glass bricks have graced high-end locations such as Chanel and Hermes stores, and have even been used in a breathtaking skyscraper in Australia, where 7,380 handmade bricks were incorporated into the design. Each of these unique bricks typically weighs around 4.7 kg, showcasing the craftsmanship and artistic tradition of Murano. These glass bricks not only add an element of luxury and elegance, but also reflect the timeless artistry of Venetian glassmaking, blending tradition with modern architectural design. PLATIO, the pioneering solar-powered sidewalks. Let's dive into the world of construction tech, starting in Hungary, where innovation goes beyond the Rubik's Cube. Introducing PLATIO solar panels, an ingenious solution for sustainable energy generation. Covering 80 square meters of sidewalk with these panels can produce around 11.7 kilowatt of electricity. Designed to be tough, PLATIO panels are ideal for bike paths and parking lots. They are as easy to install as regular pavers, making them a practical choice for various applications. The company also champions sustainability by using recycled plastic waste. Each panel is made from approximately 400 plastic bottles. Despite their energy-generating capability, there's no need to worry about excessive heat. Even on sunny days, these panels remain as cool as regular pavement or concrete. With PLATIO, you can pave the way to a greener future, one step at a time. Blumer Lehmann. The Swiss company, Blumer Lehmann AG, is at the forefront of modern construction, specializing in modular wood projects. A prime example of their innovative work is the Into the Woods Pavilion, which adorns the Swiss Embassy Garden in Copenhagen. Experts from Blumer Lehmann AG, in collaboration with two other teams, assembled 3 unique tree structures, each composed of 18 elements. To ensure stability, steel tubes were inserted into the trunks, which also provided drainage. The treetops are adorned with textile membranes, adding an aesthetic and functional touch. These projects by Blumer Lehmann AG have garnered significant acclaim, so much so that even Swedish King Carl Severdins, Xerxes Gustaf, inaugurated one of them. Their work exemplifies a harmonious blend of modern design and traditional craftsmanship, making a lasting impact in the field of modular wood construction. Peri RCS Max, the advancing skyline construction. German expertise is poised to redefine the Frankfurt and Main skyline with projects like the 4 Frankfurt high-rise complex. Meanwhile, South Korea's smart city of Songdo showcases a skyline adorned with skyscrapers, all aided by innovative developments from Peri. Peri RCS Max lifting systems are pivotal for builders in ambitious projects worldwide. Capable of handling loads up to 10 tons, these systems offer flexible adjustments tailored to site specifics. Platforms can be maneuvered in increments of 75 cm, ensuring precision in high-altitude operations. Safety is paramount at heights of 200 meters and beyond. Therefore, the RCS Max kit includes not only remote controls, but also emergency switches on each platform, providing peace of mind and operational reliability. Peri continues to lead the way in advancing construction technology, empowering builders to reach new heights safely and efficiently in iconic cityscapes worldwide. 3D wall panels, the easy installation, professional results. Installing 3D wall panels is as straightforward as gathering a level, tape measure, knife, drill, and nail gun. Tools simpler to find than creating a character in a multiplayer online game. These panels are designed for efficiency, ensuring even novices can achieve professional quality results effortlessly. Crafted from a lightweight yet sturdy polymer, the panels are reinforced and meticulously painted to mimic the appearance of metal. The realistic finish is so convincing that it's difficult to distinguish from actual metal until touched. Calculating your needs is simple. A standard box of panels covers approximately 1 square meter. For instance, the Penna collection offers boxes priced at $80 each, making it easy to estimate costs for your project. Enhance your space with the modern elegance of 3D wall panels, transforming any room into a showcase of style and sophistication. Lixel X1, the revolutionary portable 3D scanner. The Lixel X1 redefines portability with its compact size and light weight, easily fitting into a suitcase or carried with one hand. It's so advanced that it can even be transported using a drone. This innovative scanner is capable of creating 3D models of environments almost instantly. You'll only need to wait 5 seconds to see results. Equipped with SLAM technology, the Lixel X1 allows continuous viewing of scan data without interrupting the scanning process. Its impressive range spans from 5 cm to 120 meters, ensuring versatility in various scanning scenarios. Accuracy is another highlight, with measurements precise to within plus or minus 2 cm. Additionally, the Lixel X1 provides up to 90 minutes of continuous operation on a single charge, making it an ideal tool for extended scanning sessions without the need for frequent recharging. PLAEX Building Systems, the pioneering sustainable construction. At the heart of sustainable construction lies a straightforward principle: build structures that remain cost-effective throughout their life cycle. PLAEX Building Systems, a Canadian company, is leading the charge towards this sustainable future by introducing innovative building blocks crafted from 90% waste materials, including plaster, plastic, concrete, and other discarded resources. These eco-friendly blocks boast superior durability compared to traditional bricks and concrete. Moreover, they accelerate the construction process by 3 times and reduce costs by at least 35%, eliminating the need for mortar. This breakthrough allows even those with minimal experience to erect high-quality buildings and structures efficiently. Initial production will commence in Canada, with future plans to establish a global production network, spreading the benefits of PLAEX's sustainable building solutions worldwide. HAHN Plastics, the sustainable grid solutions. Introducing HAHN Plastics, an international company renowned for its innovative approach to recycling plastic into practical products like grids and more. These grids, significantly lighter than concrete alternatives at approximately 9 kg each, are robust enough for various applications, from parking lots to warehouses, capable of supporting the weight of loaded car carriers. Paired with a drainage layer, these grids efficiently manage rainwater and mud, making them an ideal choice for agricultural use, including farms and horse breeding facilities. Their durability shines through in all weather conditions. They won't rot, rust, or crack in the cold. What sets HAHN Plastics apart is their commitment to sustainability. Once these grids reach the end of their life cycle, they can be recycled, contributing to a circular economy and reducing environmental impact. Geofoam, the transforming highway repairs. Cracked and sunken roads pose significant challenges for drivers and authorities, particularly on busy highways such as Highway 36 in the US. To address these issues swiftly, engineers turned to Geofoam blocks, an innovative solution that proved highly effective. The decision to use Geofoam blocks resulted in a remarkable achievement. The repair work was completed in just 2 months. This success required extensive coordination and effort from numerous individuals, revitalizing the highway and extending its lifespan. 6 factories were mobilized to produce over 6,100 geofoam blocks, each measuring 2.4 by 1.2 by 1 meters. These blocks were transported by approximately 200 truck drivers to the project site. Workers skillfully maneuvered the lightweight styrofoam cubes into place, leveraging their manageable size and weight to expedite the reconstruction process. Geofoam has emerged as a game-changing solution for rapid and efficient infrastructure repairs, showcasing its potential to revolutionize road maintenance projects worldwide.